Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I think that you are well and enjoying the holidays happily. Today I have come back with a new solutions video. In this video, you will be able to find the solutions of chapter 21, verbs, the present tense, from the book, The New Grammar Tree, Revised, Class 6. So friends, are you ready to complete your homework easily? So let's start. A. Fill in the blanks with simple present form of the verbs given in the brackets. 1. The heart. Circulate blood in the body. Answer, circulates. 2. Angeli. Teach geography in school. Answer, teaches. 3. I do not like walking in the rain. Answer, like. 4. Miriam. Run faster than anybody else in school. Answer, runs. 5. Do you read storybooks? Answer, read. 6. She take her dog to the park every evening. Answer, takes. 7. I can play the piano. Answer, play. 8. He sleep during the day and work at night. Answer, sleeps, works. 9. She go to the stadium every Friday. Answer, goes. 10. The test match start in exactly 25 minutes. Answer, starts. B. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets. 1. Have you seen Raman? Yes, he work in the lawn. Answer, is working. 2. My mother watch a match now, please come back later. Answer, is watching. 3. The students read the chapter for the first time. Answer, are reading. 4. They go out because it is raining heavily outside. Answer, are not going. 5. The students take a test, please maintain silence. Answer, are taking. 6. My aunt knit a sweater. Answer, is knitting. 7. Shazia and her friend come to our home. Answer, are coming. 8. Who play the drums so late at night? Answer, is playing. 9. Are you study for the exams? Answer, studying. 10. We wait in front of the school. Hurry up. Answer, are waiting. So friends, this was today's video. I hope that you have enjoyed this video very much, and it had also helped to complete your homework easily. If this video helped you to complete your homework easily, then give a like and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification when new these types of solution videos are uploaded. Share the video to your friends, so they can also complete their homework easily like you. If you were finding the solutions of this chapter, did this video help? Maybe you would like to comment so that I can understand how much this video helped you? Goodbye friends. Stay well and stay healthy. Stay home and stay safe. Have a nice day. See you again. Stay connected for the next video. Thanks for watching the video.